Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy ServiceNow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy ServiceNow, start by visiting the ServiceNow website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the free trial section. Select the desired trial or demo environment that suits your needs. Fill out the required details to request the trial. Check your email for confirmation and access details. Log in to your new ServiceNow instance using the provided credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the available modules to understand their functionality. Start by configuring users and roles for your organization. Navigate to the User Administration section to create new users. Set permissions based on the roles each user will fill. Next, configure the company profile under the company settings. Add relevant details such as name, address, and contact information. Proceed to customize the workspace by adding your organization's branding. Access the customization section to upload logos and set color themes. After branding, focus on setting up your core applications. Determine which ServiceNow applications you will need first. Enable and configure the IT Service Management module initially. Set up incident management to track and resolve issues efficiently. Configure change management to oversee IT changes systematically. While configuring these applications, consider integrating with existing tools. Check the integration section for possible third-party tool connections. Test the integration functionality to ensure smooth operations. Once core applications are set up, consider further customization. Utilize the ServiceNow Studio to create custom applications if needed. Develop workflows to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. Explore the Flow Designer for creating these workflows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.